Hello everyone, this is Abhijit from Talentious Corner. In this video, I am going to discuss about fourth IPO that is coming in month of January 2021. IPO is coming from Stovecraft. In this video, I will share a crisp study on Stovecraft, which will help you to decide if you want to bid for this IPO or not. Stovecraft incorporated in 1999 in Bangalore. They are a kitchen appliances and home solution based company. They sell their product under three brands. Pigeon, that is value for money brand, from 77% revenue comes from that particular brand. Second is Gilma, that is semi premium brand, 6% revenue comes from that particular brand. Black Plus Decker, that is premium brand, and 1.5% revenue comes from that brand. They manufacture and sell cookwares, cooktops, other kitchen solutions, that is chimneys in modern kitchen, small appliances like kettles and LEDs. They are in India with 650 distributors in 27 states and 5 UTs. They are having 45,000 plus outlets. 25 to 30% of their sale is coming from online market. They are exporting their products to various countries with 12 distributors. They are exporting to US, Mexico, Kenya, Qatar, Sri Lanka, Fiji, Bahrain, and Kuwait. They are also having tie-up with Walmart, so you can find products in Walmart facilities too. They are having two manufacturing facilities, Bangalore and Baddi. So Bangalore facility manufactures everything except gas stoves. Gas stoves are manufactured in Baddi facilities. Bangalore facility is, as of now, they are having 16-acre build facility where they are manufacturing products. They have 30-acre more facility where they can expand in future. Company is in three kinds of businesses. One is branding businesses. They sell their products under name Gilma, Pigeon or Black Plus Decker. 84.5% revenue comes from that. Second is that they are having tie-up with Indian Oil and HPCL, so they provide gas stove to these industries. Third business is with government, so they provide stoves to government. They had a huge loss in this third segment, that is tie-up with government. They had a loss of around 110 crores that still shows in their financial sheets. So that's why they're coming out of this business. Their main focus is on branding and selling their products under name of Pigeon, Gilman, and Black Plus Decker. Let's talk about their timeline. They incorporated on 28 June 1999. They started manufacturing gas stove. 2001 they launched their brand Gilma. 2003 they launched Pigeon. 2004 they started manufacturing pressure cookers under brand Pigeon. 2008 they got investment from Sidby. 2010 they got investment from Sequoia. 2014 they started export to US. 2016 they tie up with Stanley Black and Decker. This tie up is till 2027. They are going to manufacture and sell under brand Black Plus Decker. In 2019 they started their LED business. Let's talk about financials for Stovecraft. In 2018 they were having loss of 12 crores. In 2019 they came up with profit of 0.73 crores. In 2020 they came up with profit of 3.17 crore. From April to September 2020 they are claiming that their profit is 28.77 crore. Management says that they worked on their inventory management, and that is from there they are getting the biggest impact. This was the time when COVID was there in India, so factory was closed for around 1 month. Also their promotional activity went down, so they did a lot of cost cutting. From there they are getting this value. We are not pretty sure that if they are going to have a consistent number or they can get this kind of consistent number or not. So from 2018 to 2020, as per financials, they are loss making to profit making industry. Let's compare Stovecraft with their peers. So Stovecraft is leader in cooktops and freestanding hobs. They acquire 25% market in cooktops, and freestanding hob they acquire 20.3% market. Built-in hobs and cooker hoods, Faber is leader in market, and Stovecraft at 4.8% and 3.8%. They are having a huge market to cover. Non-stick cookware, TTK, Prestige, they are in top, and 58.2% is market is acquired by them. Stovecraft covers 18% market. Pressure cooker, again Stovecraft is having 11.4% and Prestige is having 48.2%. Electric kettle, Bajaj is having 23.8% market, and Stovecraft is having 21.1% market. Similarly, rice cooker, coffee maker, juicer, mixture, and blender, Stovecraft is way beyond to cover, and they're having a very small portion of the market. Let's talk about shareholding pattern. So currently promoters are having 61.31 percentage and investors are having 38.69 percentage. After IPO issue, promoters will have 54.3 percentage shares, Investor will have 12.45% shares and public will have 33.19% is. As we can see, investors are encashing a lot of their shares and they're coming out of market. Let's understand what is the objective behind raising this IPO. Company wants to pay their debts and 75% money will go for paying their debts and 25% money will go for general corporate purpose. Pros in this particular IPO, this is a company that was a loss making company and they are now a profit making company. They have a diversified business and they are having a brand name. Their operational profit margin is healthy. Their PE ratio is low. Their PE ratio is around 16. If we compare with their peers, their PE ratio is around 44. Urbanization will enhance their business, and kitchen appliances is the industry that is always going to grow, so they are in the growing industry segment. If we talk about consequences, their borrowing is too high. They have a lot of debt to be fulfilled. They have whole dependency on Pigeon. So if Pigeon brand goes left or right, think in a wrong direction. They have a lot of dependency on their distributors. So let's talk about IPO details. So IPO is opening on 25th of January and it will close on 28th of January. IPO price is 384 to 385. You need to buy 38 shares. It will cost you around 14,930. Fresh issue, their fresh issue is 95 crores out of 412 crores what they are raising from this IPO. I hope you understood about Stovecraft company and their business. I wish you, based on this video, you can decide if you want to bid for Stovecraft or not. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.